Hi everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue, and my trusty corgis in the back. The one you keep hearing is Teddy Bear. Benji is a little quieter but much more destructive. Anyway, they always join me here, and you join me here, so thank you so much for coming. We have had probably one of the busiest weeks that we've ever had here at Miss Rita to the Rescue. Let's see, this week we put together, I think already we put together like 6 items, 6 projects, including this beautiful pumpkin diorama and a dahlia invitation, and then remember the vintage trucks, and what else, sunflower cupcakes and all of that. But in addition to that, we had a couple of really big announcements this week, including the launch of infusible ink at Cricut.com. We've also announced my giveaway, this month's giveaway, which is actually five Cricut Mini machines and a roll of infusible ink transfer sheets for 5 lucky winners. I'm going to drop the link here in the video description, so make sure you enter. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I would really love for you to come and be a subscriber at my YouTube channel, because we let's see, I mean, I am not stopping with all of these ideas, and today I'm actually going to show you this adorable little thing that is like a little tote. I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's pretty simple. And then I'm also going to talk about how you can make these ahead and have them ready for your little Halloween party, or if you want to bring them to the office with little treats inside. I'm going to show you how to make these ahead of time. They're very efficient, because you can get them onto like a 12 by 12 piece of paper, 2 of them, I think. Yes, I think so. Yes, try to remember. If you have a 12 by 12 piece of paper, and then a 12 by 12 piece of pumpkin paper. I did a different back, but anyway, we're going to go over this, so stay with me. But before we go over this, just want to remind you, please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you make that bell active, and that will notify you when there's new stuff, and there is just no stopping of the new stuff, so please do that, and then I'll be right back to show you this. So we're going to make this today. It's a really simple jack-o'-lantern cutout from Lori Whitlock, and I will put a link. I'll try to find the link to the SVG file. This is a file that you would pay for and download and then upload to Cricut Design Space, and you can go ahead and cut it on there. The great thing about this project is, there are actually 2 great things. One is that you can cut out 2 whole completed bags from 2 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock. So I've done these for like my son's classroom, and so I can sit down. Usually I do it a couple weeks before the holiday, before it gets real busy, whether it's Thanksgiving or Halloween or the Christmas holidays, and I sit down and I just take a bunch of, the 2-toned papers and cut out a whole bunch of them, and then I can either assemble them right away or wait and assemble them, but I'm going to show you how to. Anyway, so you get 2 on each page of 2 12 by 12s. Do you get that? So basically what happens is you cut out this black, 2 of these on one page, and then this pumpkin color. Now the file comes as the same as this, but you can change that if you want to, or this is the way I did it, but you don't have to. You can keep it all that pumpkin, and 2 sets of these will fit. So within a matter of minutes, you're going to have quite a few of these items to go for the holidays. So easy enough to figure out how to assemble them. Just glue these pieces into place. Sorry about the barking dog. Teddy bear, Teddy, come on, stop. You glue these pieces into place. And then what you do is I glue in the pieces into place when it's flat, and I fold it at all the score lines, obviously. And you see that there is a tab here. Now you could stop right there and then just sort of stack them up until you're ready to assemble them, or do what I do, and you can put the glue here on the tab. Let me show you. Okay, put the glue here on the tab, right? Allow it to dry and make sure that you're able to open it. Oh, I don't think I put enough glue there, but let's say I did. Let's say I did, and so I'm done with all of it except for the bottoms. And to be frank, this is the best place to stop. You're all set, and then all you have to do is when you're ready to stuff these, to assemble them completely, you just fold in the legs, the bottoms, the two small ones first, and then the big one. There you go. And you can either put, boy, if you want really fancy, you could probably put a double stick tape there if you'd like. You know, I like the glue because it's just easier for me, but I'm not going to get this glue to come out today. I don't know why. It's colder this morning. Okay, here we go. It's coming out, and lay it on your work surface so that it gets squared off on the bottom, because you want that. You want it to be squared off. And that's it. You are done. You could also, if you wanted to get really fancy, you could do this so that your tab stays. And that's it. 2 adorable treat pouches or bags, tiny mini bags that you can stuff with Halloween fun size candy and give to your son or daughter's entire classroom, or maybe bring to the office as a special gift. Wasn't that so super simple? Really, a lot of these crafts are very simple, and you can dress them up any way you'd like to. Again, you can use a different back to this, or even maybe use put a little mat on the top there so you can put somebody's name, or you can just cut it out as the pumpkin. That's okay too. And remember, you can store these flat, so you can make these ahead of time, which I would recommend doing. I always do that. I get my stuff ready ahead of time, so that way when the holiday hits me and I get overrun with, you know, things like getting costumes together or food or whatever, I have these already available, and all I have to do is insert some treats in there and assemble, do that one little bit of assembly there, and I'm ready to go. So it's important to plan ahead, isn't it? Thanks so much for coming today. My name is Rita, and this is my channel, Miss Rita to the Rescue. Let's see, I'm a blogger, and I blog at missritatotherescue.com, and now I am a YouTuber, a budding YouTuber, and this is my YouTube channel. Or you could be watching me on Facebook, where I have a Facebook page and several groups. My Facebook page is Miss Rita to the Rescue, and then also our groups are Cricut Newbies and Pros for Explore and Maker, and Cricut Newbies and Pros for Business. So if you haven't already subscribed to one of those channels, I'd encourage you to do so. Lots of really cool information there, and help. Like if you have just a question on how to you know, do something with your Cricut machine, that's what we're there for. So do seek us out, okay? Thanks so much for coming today. I hope you have a wonderful day.